Hello students, today is Tuesday, March the 10th, 2015, and here are your TOPS announcements. Hey, I want to give a shout out to Jason Vanaway, who is our very first TOPS athlete. Jason plays baseball for Tennessee High School through the co-op program. We are co-opted with them. And he is a freshman, but yet he is a starting first baseman, which is awesome. Probably means he's a really good hitter. And so hope to catch Jason at one of his games. I'll be sure and do that. He's also awesome because his first name is Jason. I also played first base, so that's kind of, we're basically the same person. But I'll try to get some pictures of him at the baseball game whenever I get a chance to go see one. So I'm really excited about that. Very first TOPS athlete. You are a pioneer, Jason. You are leading the way. There's a bug on my ceiling. It's probably a ladybug. It's not a stink bug, it's not big enough. But congratulations, Jason. Some of you have been emailing me freaking out because you've got work that's due on the 20th, even though spring break is the 16th to the 20th. Let me explain that again. I explained it yesterday, explain it again today. I only get paid once, but I'll explain it twice. The reason for that is because of the snow and subsequent power outages and things, some students got behind, and so what teachers decided to do, sympathetically, is to make this week's work due on the 20th. That way students had until this Friday to get any remaining makeup work in, because they have to, basically all teachers are cutting their grading period off this Friday, or for last week, I mean. So that way they can not have to worry about that makeup work for grades on the first 9 weeks, and they can do it that way. That way, if you're behind, you can work on your makeup work this week and then work during spring break to get caught up, or you can just get it all done this week and enjoy your spring break. And if you're not behind at all, it doesn't really affect you one way or the other. Unless you're a terrible procrastinator, which you will spend between now and the Friday of spring break worrying about your work, and then you'll do it at the last minute. And that's a lot of stress for no reason. So if you're not behind, just get busy and do your work. Thought for the day today, more positive than yesterday, but I saw a quote by Einstein, and I'll paraphrase it because I don't remember the exact quote, but the quote said something to the effect of, "You only truly understand something if you can explain it to a child." And I thought, that's a really good opportunity for you to test how well you understand some of the things you're learning. For example, if you can explain them to a child, to another person, to somebody else, if you can explain it and feel confident and comfortable in that explanation and not part of it where you're like, oh, okay, I'm kind of making this up, but I'm just going to go for it, that can tell you how well you understand something. So yeah, Friday is the due date for ACTs. If you're going to take it in April without a late fee. The deadline for vouchers was yesterday with Miss Whedon. Sorry if you missed that, but just go ahead and pay for it and take it this time, and maybe you'll use a voucher to take it free if you're not happy with your score. I noticed more and more people are doing the registration, which is great. If you don't have it by Miss Singleton's deadline, then we'll just pick your classes for you. It's pretty simple. Hope you guys have a great day. If you need anything, please let me know. Have a great day.